zamani ndio alionyesha.
Kambi mar Royal Media Services obedo kambi mokwongo mar chako chenro mang'iyo ngima makare mar jotijene moting'o tuoche mag obwongo kokalo e chenro midendo RMS Wellness. E nyasi mane obagi kambino kinyi ma kawuono, jotend RMS kod jokanyo mamoko e sekta mar thieth noyango jotije mochiwore e konyo tayo chenrono. Gisingo mar medo keto e opara manyime ngima jotije e yore duto mar neno ni ngimagi obedo makare kamoro amora ma gintie.
You know, the demonstrators were asubuhi wa mchana.
So as we gather today, we do this with the full knowledge that a healthy person is a productive person.
And this is another job that is always about others and nothing about yourself. Whether you're asking questions in an interview, it's not personal. Whether you're out there covering Maandamano, it's not personal. Or whether you're in Parliament trying to analyze the budget, that is not your personal budget. You're always doing this for the sake of what we call in the industry public interest. So the general environment, to summarize it, is that of high pressure. And partnerships like this come in handy for us. We need our staff to be well in order for our business to be sustainable. The staff at individual level and at group level must be okay for us to achieve our group strategy. And that is why you really come in at a very, very important time. This for us means a lot, and we count on you to help us realize those objectives.
People should be encouraged to seek help. There are many people who need help, but they don't know they need it. And how you're going to do that is being available. Some of the people who, again, are very jovial, they are very jovial to hide the pain they are carrying inside. And unless you reach out, you'll never know. You'll only get to hear the way Lina said, that person went in this direction, went in this direction.
We also know that the Presidential Task Force report that was published in 2020 July did highlight that 25% of us, kumaanisha moja kati wa wale wanne ambao watatangatanga humu ndani leo or in the next 3 days, huenda wakawa na mahitaji ya afya ya kiakili. Tunajua fika kuwa wale ambao watalazwa kutokana na what we are doing here today, 1 in every now 4 out of every 10. So 4 out of every 10, unajua hapo sasa hii asilimia inapanda sana, will have a mental health need.